In this video, I will show you exactly how to safely and securely back up your WordPress and Elementor website directly to your Google Drive account. Starting from your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu, hover over Plugins, and click on Add New. We are looking for a highly rated, reliable tool that handles cloud backups perfectly. Locate the plugin called Updraft Plus. Click the Install Now button, and as soon as it finishes installing, click Activate. Once the plugin is activated, you will be taken to your installed plugins list. Head straight to the Plugins Settings panel by clicking the Settings. This is where you choose your remote storage destination. Scroll down and click on the Google Drive icon to select it. After selecting Google Drive, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Sign In with Google button. This will open a new window. Simply choose the Google account you want to use to store your backups. Now, we got an error. Let's do it again. Select Google Drive, click Sign In to Google, and choose the account. Click Continue to grant the plugin the necessary permissions to drop files into your drive, and then click Complete Setup. This will immediately route you back to your WordPress dashboard. Now that your Google Drive is fully linked, on the Settings, select Google Drive and scroll down to the very bottom of the Settings page and click Save Changes. To run your very first backup, switch back over to the Backup Restore tab at the top. Click the big blue Backup Now button. A pop-up menu will appear. Make sure the boxes are checked to include your database, include your files, and most importantly, check the box that says Send this backup to remote storage. Click Backup Now once more to start the process. Once the backup finishes running, you will get a success notification. To verify that everything worked perfectly, open a new browser tab and navigate to your Google Drive. Inside your My Drive space, you will now see a newly created folder named Updraft Plus. Double-click to open it, and right there, you'll find all of your website's backup files safely and securely stored in the cloud.